Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can remove background of any image within 10 to 20 seconds maximum, and I am also going to show you how you can earn using this skill, using this trick, or you call it anything. Okay, so guys, what you have to do basically is you have to open the link remove.pg. Okay, you have to simply select any picture. For example, I am going to select a picture of ABT videos. Okay, so you have to just wait 10 to 15 seconds, and guys, we are done. As you can see, we now have a simple picture and we can download it easily. And here we are. So you can use this image in Adobe Photoshop, you can further edit it, or you can sell it to your customers as well. Okay, let's upload another image. And here we are done. So guys, let me show you how you can earn from this simple two-step website. Okay, so what you can further do is, for example, let's open any traditional freelance marketplace or non-traditional. Okay, so just search here how we can earn. For example, background images. So you can see people here are offering a simple gig, like this person is offering, I will make background white and transparent of 20 images in $5. So you see, he is offering 20 images in $5. So let's suppose a single image take 20 seconds. So if we multiply 20 by 20 seconds, we are 400. That means in 400 seconds, that is in 7 minutes, you can easily earn $5. And you can offer more images as well, like he is offering a single image or multiple images, whatever. I will remove your images background in $5. You can offer 5 images, 10 images. Okay, so this was a simple method to earn $5 to $10. Further, you can do or offer same services in freelancer.com, and same goes for upwork.com. Here they have multiple services. Clients post their project that they are looking for graphic designers, they are looking for logo designers, they are looking for someone who can remove background images. So you can easily offer them. Just take orders from them, add pictures here, and you are done. Okay, so this was a method where you can remove background images without using any software, without using any Adobe Photoshop software. Okay, so if you want to edit using Adobe Photoshop, I already uploaded a tutorial where I have shown each and everything step by step, that how you can remove background using simple 3 to 4 steps. I will add the link in description as well, so do check out that. It will be very helpful for you guys or someone who is trying to penetrate in the market in the field of graphic designing. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you have any comments or feedback, do mention in comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.